Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Grand Caravan key fob. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin battery. Next, find the small release lever on the back of your key fob. Slide this lever and gently pull out the emergency key blade, setting it aside for now. With the emergency key removed, look for a small indentation or seam along the edge of your key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver to begin separating the two halves of the key fob casing. Work your way around the seam until the casing fully opens. Once the key fob is open, you will see the internal components. Carefully lift out the circuit board and the rubber button pad, setting them aside. Observe how the old CR 2032 battery is positioned, noting its positive and negative sides. Use your screwdriver or a fingernail to gently remove the old battery, then insert the new one, ensuring the correct orientation. Now, carefully place the rubber button pad and the circuit board back into their proper positions within one half of the casing. Align the two halves of the key fob precisely and press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, reinsert the emergency key blade. Test your key fob to ensure all functions are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.